Hey, welcome back everyone. Don here again. Tonight I'm going to do my driveway, but I thought it would be a good time to test out the heat in this cab. I've got two thermometers, both identical. Haven't opened them yet. I'm going to open them up, turn them on at the same time. We're going to put one inside the cab. I'll put one outside the cab, do my driveway. However long that takes, it'll be enough time for the tractor to get plenty warm, and we'll see what the temperature difference is. Well, they come in these little plastic cases. I don't know, maybe they're weatherproof too. Of course, if I read the instructions, I'd know that, right? But I ain't gonna do that. So they're both reading the same right now, 43 degrees Fahrenheit. So I want to hang this thermometer somewhere, but I don't want to put it in the front where the heater blows, because I don't want the heat to blow right on it. So I'm gonna stick it to the back window, the back side window here. So I've got one thermometer on the inside of the tractor stuck to the glass there. These things have suction cups. I'm a little weary. You can see I've already dropped this one. I tried to suction cup this to the outside of the same window, and it already fell off. So, I mean, I guess the thermometer doesn't have to be with the tractor to get the outside temperature, right? This stuff is like sugar on top of an inch of hard, crusty ice or snow, or I don't know. This thing's going to take a beating. I don't know if it's going to hold up. Right now it is 24 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know if that's coming out in the call, but that's 24 degrees Fahrenheit. And inside the cab, it's 58. That's pretty good considering I've been having to open the door and move cameras and all of that stuff. So this works a lot like a car heater in that it uses the coolant from the engine. It pipes it into a heater core that's inside this heater on the dash, and the fan blows air across the heater core, extracting the heat and blowing it into the cab. This one is just a 2-speed fan, and there is a temperature setting over there. I have it all the way on hot. I was able to get 58 degrees in the cab with 24 degrees outside. So my cab also has the seal kit in it, which is an option with the cab. And you can see this material that sort of covers a lot of the openings under the seat. It doesn't completely seal it up, but it does help. Same with the pedals. There's these sort of brushes that help keep the pedal openings closed up. Here's another one for the diff lock, and it's just kind of like a brush. It just seals the hole up a little bit better. Not completely, but it helps. They also have these down inside here. I don't know if you can see that there's material underneath these, and it helps to seal some of this up. And it's like I said, it's not completely sealed. So I don't know if that makes it less noisy or if that makes it stay warmer. Maybe both of those things. Certainly will help in the summer to keep some of the dust out. So you may have noticed that I broke the rest of the piece of decking that was hanging off the front of the bucket here. And it still has this big chunk on it. So it is protecting the driveway. Last night I put a thermometer in the tractor, and because I had to keep opening the door to adjust the camera, I don't think it was a fair assessment of what the temperature really could be or should be in the cab. So it's daytime, it's the next day, and I'm going to do it again, only this time I'm not going to film. I'm just going to do what I got to do and check the temperature when I'm done. So after about an hour of running, we are at 72 degrees. 25 degrees outside, and it is quite windy, and as a result of the wind, it makes it feel much colder. Well, that's going to do it for this one. I appreciate you checking it out. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.